Hello, good morning, Cherry Ann. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello ma'am, good morning. My name is Cherry Ann Lizano. I'm 27 years old. I am a single, but I have 3 kids, ages 17 years old, 11 years old, and 2 years old. I have an experience as a helper here in the Philippines in 2 years. I'm a college graduate. I took Bachelor of Commercial Science, major in Management.
Okay, so you have mentioned that you have work experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years.
Yes.
Okay, what made you decided to work in Hong Kong? Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give the better life to my family, and Hong Kong is a safest country.
Okay, so how many years do you see yourself working in Hong Kong?
I think I finish my contract, or as long as you want me to work with your family.
Okay, so may I know what are your duties with your past employers?
My duties are taking care of baby. I do household chores such as basic cooking, ironing, gardening, marketing, and washing clothes and cleaning the house.
Okay, so do you have experience at taking care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, and also kids.
Yes.
Okay, when taking care a newborn baby, what are your, what are the important things that you need to do?
The important things to taking care of baby. First, if the baby is after giving milk, you can burp
Okay.
to avoid vomiting.
Okay.
Yes, changing diaper if she need, is taking a bath. Yeah.
Okay. So how about in handling kids? What are the activities that you usually suggest to do, especially when they don't have school? What are the activities that you can suggest with the kids?
I can
Do you teach them how to sing?
Yes,
Play
teach-
with them?
yes, yes ma'am.
Okay, so can you, do you also read books with the kids?
Yes ma'am, and watching TV. Ganun.
Okay, watching TV. Okay. So aside from that, you can also cook?
Yes.
Okay. So if the employer will give you some recipe, especially Chinese dishes, can you follow the instructions well?
Yes.
Okay. So as a first timer in Hong Kong, okay, so most of the house in Hong Kong is sometimes it is small. Okay. So are you willing to share room with the kids
Yes.
or elderly?
Yes.
Okay. So, another one is, can you promise us not to borrow any money to your employer
Yes.
or lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Please, what are your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I want to find me a suitable work with from her family, and I promise to do my best. And I'm looking forward to work with their family, and that's all.